Okay, so the first type of problem we're going to look at is when you have a number subtracted from your variable. Okay, so to get rid of a number subtracted from your variable, x, usually it's x, we can add it to both sides. Okay, so let's look at some problems. M minus 5 equals 21. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what number would make that true. Okay, I want to know what number minus 5 would give me 21. Okay, and the way I'm going to do it, and I know you could do this in your head, but the way we're going to do it, we're going to look at the subtracted 5. To get rid of the subtracted 5, we're going to add 5 to both sides. Because the subtracted 5 and an added 5 will actually go away. And when you do this, you end up with m on the left, 21 plus 5 on the right. And 21 plus 5 is 26. Okay, let's check it. We won't always check it, but I at least want to show you what we're doing. Okay, to check, I can put the 26 back in for my variable. So 26, and for m, minus 5 equals 21. See, that's a true statement. 26 minus 5 does give you 21. So 26 was the right answer. Okay, but the way we got it was we got rid of the subtracted 5 by adding 5 to both sides. Okay, the second one, negative 8 plus h equals negative 20. Okay, what I'd like you to try to think about is a negative number could be thought of as a subtracted number. So I'm going to treat this as a subtracted 8 plus h equals negative 20. So to get rid of a subtracted 8, I'm going to add 8 to both sides. The subtracted 8 and the added 8 go away. Okay, we're left with h equals, okay, negative 20 plus 8. Okay, we have an addition problem. The signs are different, so we subtract and keep the bigger sign. Okay, 20 minus 8 is 12, and the bigger number is negative, so it's negative 12. Okay, let's just go ahead and check one more so you know. I always want you to check in your head, but as far as writing it all out, I'm not going to require that you always write this out. So if I had the original problem, negative 8 plus h equals negative 20, I just found out that h is negative 12, so I'm going to rewrite it. I'm going to replace h with negative 12. Look what I got. Negative 8 plus negative 12 equals negative 20. See, that's true. Negative 8 plus negative 12 does equal negative 20. Okay, so that means negative 12 is the solution to that equation. Okay, last one like this. K minus 2/5 is equal to a half. Okay, to get rid of a subtracted 2/5, I'm going to add 2/5 to both sides. Okay, the subtracted 2/5 and the added 2/5 just kind of go away. We're left with k on the left. Have to work a little harder here. 1/2 plus 2/5, we need a common denominator. Okay, common denominator is 10. So to get 10 for the denominator on the first fraction, we multiply by 5s. Okay, to get 10 in the denominator of the second fraction, we multiply by 2s. Okay, so we had 5/10 for the first one. We have 4/10 for the second one. Okay, so think of it as adding 5/10 plus 4/10, and that would be 9/10. Okay, next we're going to look at numbers that are added to x.